I just met a bunch of Vikings on a Viking boat. I took a short little video for you babies to see them. Rather interesting. Nice people. There's a bonfire tonight and a march at 4:30. It gets dark at around 4 o'clock. So I'm going to go to that. That's going to be fun. Nothing appropriate.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, I just got back from buying groceries. This is what it takes. Grandpa's got to get on a dinghy. Got to get all the way to the marina. The weather was so bad this morning. Seas were a little bit choppy. We had some good wind, but your dad has got me on a boat that is just, she's on rails, just really, really good. So happy. Look at that beautiful little tug. It's just beautiful here. I cannot see Mount Rainier today. Clouds. Okay, here we go. Heading to Tumbleweed. Look at the wind in my hair.